Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to extract caffeine from pills. Do not attempt this procedure. It is dangerous and potentially illegal. Instead, I will describe why extraction is risky, highlight common health and legal concerns, and show practical, safe alternatives for getting caffeine. You will learn about dosage awareness, safer consumption methods like brewed coffee or standard tablets, and when to consult a pharmacist or healthcare provider for advice. I will explain why attempting extraction poses real health and legal dangers you should avoid. Concentrated caffeine raises overdose and heart risk, and improvised methods often introduce toxic contaminants or harmful solvents. Altering a medication can breach regulations and remove safeguards built into dosage forms. I will discuss signs of caffeine toxicity, safe maximum daily limits, and steps to take if you suspect accidental ingestion or exposure to hazardous substances. I will explain how to extract caffeine from pills. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and priorities, and it pairs nicely with safer choices and smarter habits. If you like this content, please subscribe and like so I can make more safety-first videos. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I will explain practical, safe alternatives to extraction so you can control caffeine without lab work. Use standardized beverages or commercially labeled tablets for predictable dosing, and always track total daily intake versus recommended limits. Keep all caffeine products secured from children and pets, and check with a pharmacist if you have health conditions or take medications. I will also suggest monitoring symptoms of excess intake and when to seek medical help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.